Hi babes! Do we like the background? I brought it back. I brought a background back, you know, I just had to. She's new, she's cute or whatever. I have never been this excited for a launch in a really long time. So I thought I would not just bring the glamour back and, you know, we'll have fun. This is one of the most exciting launches of this year to me, just because you guys know I have like such a deep love for Anastasia that it's just insane, and the fact that we have a Norvina palette right now is insane. So from the title you can obviously guess we're going to be doing a tutorial / review of first impressions on the new, the coveted Norvina palette. Before we get into the glamour, be sure to hit subscribe, like this video, and let me know if you guys like these type of videos. I'm trying to think of different concept videos to do for you guys. I feel like I was stuck in a rut, and I'm kind of a little bit stuck in a rut right now, but you know, we're just gonna do it. Today I'm also going to be sharing with you guys some new products. Not new products, but like some newish products that I have with me. If you guys don't know who Norvina is or why there is a Norvina palette, Norvina is Claudia basically, aka Claudia. That is Miss Anastasia Beverly Hills herself, daughter. That is who she is. She is her daughter. Throughout the years, I feel like everyone has been like waiting and anticipating this palette, and I feel like it was such a high demand for so long that we now finally have her, and I'm so excited. If you follow Norvina or Claudia, we're just gonna call her Norvina from this video. If you follow her on Instagram, you know she has like, she loves drag, she loves crazy amazing looks. She is super duper into like creating the perfect makeup and having like that artistic side to her. And if you guys know, like, she is the president of Anastasia Beverly Hills, and she kind of does and figures out what the concept of everything is going to be. So a lot of the amazing stuff that we have is from Anastasia and Norvina, aka Claudia herself. 14 shadows. So this is Norvina's go-to eyeshadow, featuring 14 whimsical shades ranging from bold and bright, matte to soft pastel shimmers. She said, I have always wanted to create a palette that embodies my spirit. I'm a dreamer at heart, and I get lost in my own fantasy world daily. It's a whimsical place that leaves you feeling carefree. If I had to explain how these colors made me feel, I would say happy. We get it. So we get another one of these suede packaging palettes. If I were to say anything, you guys know I just don't like stuff like this. Kind of gets me like cringy for some reason. Like, look at how beautiful these shades are, honey. So from left to right on the top are all shimmers, which has never been done before for their company. We get Dreamer, Summer, Wild Child, Rose Gold, Celestial, Dazzling, and Drama. On the lower mattes, we get Base, Soul, Incense, Love, Volatile, Eccentric. Ooh, she's sassy. And Passion. Obviously each palette comes with a little brush, a dual brush. I have so many of these since I've had a lot of their palettes. If you don't have brushes that are your go-to, these are really nice because it really helps you go into your crease, or if you need to go on your lid, you know, whatever you need to. I don't really use these that much anymore, but these were super duper helpful for me when I was starting out with my makeup and having no job, and you know, it just helps when you have brushes in your collection. Let's zoom in and get into it. Alrighty, so we have one brow done, as well as the eyelid primer on. As you can tell, the difference, honey, is big. But we're gonna go ahead and move into what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna set the brow bone with the shade Base, which is her. I'm gonna set the brow bone with the shade Base. I thought it was gonna be a little darker actually. It's not so dark though. Base color, how ironic. It looks like there is some kick up, but it's not so awful. Like honestly, if you don't care, because I don't really care, but I know there's people that do care. I'm gonna take the next shade in Cess, right here, that one. And I'm gonna take it on the M504 from Morphe. Enough of a break from Morphe. Pigment! Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. I did not. Oh my god, it's like, just dab once in that pan because I dabbed in twice and that was already so much. I'm gonna dab a little bit onto base and I'm just gonna try to buff onto the corners because I was not prepared. Oh my god. Next, I'm just gonna take a Kylie Jenner crease brush. There is some kick up again, like I said. I'm gonna take the shade Eccentric, which is her right here. And this I'm gonna really go into my crease and kind of build it up from there. Again, I know some people really had issues with the Subculture palette. I personally didn't. My palette is amazing. So I have no idea. I really can't relate to that. I know there is a little bit of a kick out, but the colors on my palette do blend. I don't really get a scratchy effect. And I don't see that with this either. I see like nice blendability. And I am super happy about that. But with a different brush, just to kind of go a little bit higher. That actual color again, I'm gonna go into Passion over here. And since this is so tiny, I think this will work. I'm gonna do a halo eye because I love me a halo eye. Okay, I'm gonna deepen it up a little bit more with the color Volatile. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna carve out my cut crease. Oh, I feel like we should play with color and then in the center do a little bit of a lighter color. So on this first outer half, I feel like we should take a Celestial because, you know, let's have fun. Do you guys see that? So I'm kind of leaving it kind of like a V. I'm just gonna take the color Dreamer, which is this shade over here. I'm just gonna put this in the center. Okay. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna blend by just tapping. And I'm gonna take the shade Violet or whatever you wanna call it. I'm just gonna go back in and I'm just gonna blend the inner and outer corner. And for lashes for today, I'm gonna be trying out these new lashes that were sent to me. Thank you so much to Flux Lashes. They sent me samples of their newer lashes, and these are what they look like. These are in the style Glitter Addy, honey. Glitter Addy. So I have my foundation basically on and my concealer, and I'm currently loving it. Today I'm going to be trying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer. So this is the bronzer in Saddle. Warming up. Oh, she's a little dark, I think. She's very pigmented. I'm just gonna take a nice little blush here. Maybe prim. I haven't used prim in a while, honey. Mind you, I don't have my contacts in. I'm just kind of seeing from my mirror. I'm kind of hoping that it looks correct. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of the spritz of setting spray because I'm like super duper like baked with powder. Kind of let it just sit on my face a little bit. And right before it like super duper dries, I go in with the highlight. So I'm gonna go in with the Dream Highlight Glow Kit. So pretty. I'm gonna take the color Unicorn. And I'm taking a bigger brush. And then this is what's gonna go on my cheeks. And I think like a fun highlight is super cute. Like the unicorn shade, honey. I'm gonna take also the color Ethereal. Isn't this pretty? Oh my god. So now I'm gonna take the color Wish. And I'm gonna really put this on the focal point here. Just like glossy, glossy, glossy. Highlight Glow Kit, honey. She is extra. Okay, let's go back into the eyeshadows. The lower lash line, what are we using? I'm gonna take the color Soul on the lower lash line. It does have some fallout, but super easy to kind of get rid of it. I'm just gonna put it on the lower lash line. That's pretty, huh? The inner corner, I think I'm gonna take a Wild Child, which is her over here. Kind of goes with my highlight. Look at that. Tell me that ain't cute. Oh my god, you guys, this mascara is amazing. The Voluminous Lash Paradise. Bitch, look how it makes my lashes look super long. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the lower lash line over here, and then we'll be back for the lip. I'm lining my lips with Malibu from Kylie. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Sepia. I always love a nice grungy lip. I didn't buy the purple new lip. I love it, oh my god, I love it. I don't really play with cool tone that often, honey. But I do love a cool tone lip. Okay, literally, Sepia is probably one of my favorite liquid lipstick shades just because it's this color. And it like speaks to me like in a way that I don't think any other lipstick kind of does. Wow, she's living. I kind of look for her look today, honey. What do you guys think? I actually really enjoy this look. Let's go ahead and speak about everything that I have tried today from Anastasia pretty much. That I really have never really put in a YouTube video, and are my first impressions. So, the first thing that isn't from Anastasia whatsoever are the Flux lashes. These lashes are super duper nice. I don't know if they are mink exactly, but yeah. So they're cruelty-free mink lashes. 10% of the net profits for Flux lashes actually go to children in need. The liquid lipstick, you guys know I love this color. I would always try to dupe it, and I just feel like the Anastasia formula is always my ride or die. Like, I love the formula. I feel like it's never really uncomfortable for me, but I usually stay hydrating my lips, so it's just a thing. If you guys feel like these are too dry for yourself, consider extra like moisturizing your lips, because for me it's really not an issue. The Anastasia bronzer, I'm shook because this is like super duper pigmented. It's insane. If you can see, like, wow, I love it. I feel like I have to look at other shades because this one might be a little dark for me, but I might look into the other shades and see what works better for me. This highlighter palette, honey, I used 3 shades in this today. I used Unicorn, Ethereal with the big brush to give me this beautiful like colorful highlight, and then I used Wish right on top to give me this glow. I only have Wish here and in the center. Honey, this highlight is everything. I absolutely love this highlight glow kit. Definitely one of my favorite glow kits, and I love the like holographic packaging. And lastly, and the thing that everyone wants to kind of know right now, is the Norvina palette. Wow, I love the matte. I think the only matte I actually didn't touch was the shade Love. I didn't touch that matte, so that's kind of crazy. The mattes are actually super duper nice. I really enjoy them. I feel like you're gonna have to build them a little bit. Certain shades like volatile, I feel like I had to build it up a little bit, and Passion as well. But it's really not a hassle. If there is a little bit of kickback on here, but I really don't have an issue with that. If you do, I really don't think it matters because it's blending. It works really nice, and if there is kick up, I just lightly dab my brush in that excess powder and it'll pick it up, and you don't add more powder to it, you know what I'm saying? So it's really not an issue. I ended up using Dreamer, Wild Child, Celestial for the lid and the inner corner. Honey, these are insane. You do not need to wet these, but if you do wet these eyeshadows, they are incredible, and they literally are reflective, and they're like some beautiful shimmer metallicness that I'm obsessed with. I didn't have to like overly apply this color to kind of have it to the pigmentation that it is, so that's really awesome because I hate when I have to kind of go over everything and kind of have it done. Build up the color intensity if I have to go back in with the shade. Do I recommend the palette? Absolutely. Definitely get it. I think you can only get it online at the moment, but I think it should be in stores soon. And as well as the glow kit, honey, get it now. It's amazing. The lip color, duh, you need it in your life. Go get it right now. As well as the bronzer. I'm a fan of every single Anastasia product that I tried today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and kind of coming along with me on these first impressions slash tutorial slash review. I'm into it. I'm into it. I love it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Stay tuned for some more videos. Be sure to subscribe down below to stay tuned for more future videos just like this one, and maybe some more different ones and some fun ones. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.